Hi, I'm Stephan, the BMW DIY guy. Do you want to refresh or upgrade the door sills on your BMW? I'll show you how. All right, so let's talk about this project really quick on reasons why you might want to do this on your car. And this really is BMW model agnostic. They're all pretty much the same. Now I'm going to be using my G87 M2 today, but you really can use this for almost any BMW out there as long as you find the right door sills for your particular car. Now the door sills are that strip of metal or plastic on your doorstep, right, as you open your door. And it is one of the most common places to get scuffs and scrapes. It gets really dirty, and get dirt ground in, and generally just look bad. So as you get into your car might even be clean, but if your door sill's all torn up, kind of makes your car look bad. So this could be refreshing your car to make it look new again with OEM, your regular door sills, or you could be doing an upgrade like I am in my case. I really wanted the M Performance carbon fiber door sills on the M2, but the process is exactly the same. This is going to be like a 5-minute install. It's really, really simple, but I wanted to show you how to do it to make sure that you could do this yourself if you want to refresh your car. All right, we're going to start on the driver's side. I'm only going to do one side because they're exactly the same. So let's get started on this side and I'll show you what to do. All right, so this is going to be a really easy replacement. Now in this case, I've got a little crease right here in the body, which is a great place to get a plastic trim tool in. And I'm always going to use plastic on this because what I don't want to do is scratch up my paint. So if need be, you could always use a microfiber rag underneath your plastic trim tools as well. But then you're just going to want to just work it, start popping those clips free.